Welcome to daily tutorials. This video is going to be all about the unordered list. So let's get started. First, let's put an UL, and inside UL we're going to have our items inside an li tag, which means list items. So this is our first item. Let's add 12 more items, and we're gonna populate our list with front-end languages, so HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, JS. Let's check the browser. Here we can see our list with dot before each item. So let's go back and see how we can change that. Now let's copy our list. We're gonna have 3 more. Now let's go to the first one. We're gonna type equal. Let's put disk the first, and for the second we're gonna put none, and for the third we're gonna put circle, and for the fourth we're gonna put square. Type square. Now let's check our browser, and here we can see that disk didn't change anything, and the second one, this is for the none, it took everything away. Third, you can see an empty circle before our items, and the fourth, it's a square before our items. Now let's go back to the VS Code. Now we're gonna try a nested list. So here in front of CSS, gonna add well. Let's open here. We're gonna have 2 items. So LE for item 1 and another for item 2. Here we're gonna put part 1, and for the second we're gonna put part 2. Now let's check out the browser, and here we have part 1 and part 2 as a sub list for the CSS. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.